I've made a post on my Facebook page right now. So I think that replies, or that explains everything going on right now. A lot of people, all the calls and the messages coming through, I appreciate all of them because of although I've been with him for a while, but until I started working with him, I think last year or the last 2 years. So I'm sure that's the reason a lot of people are calling and calling and calling. But to be very honest, the legend lives. That Lumba is still alive. He is very well and not dead, as rumors or speculations are going on. Please ignore the rumors. Ignore them. They are not true. They are not true. But to be very honest, the legend lives. That Lumba is still alive. He is very well and not dead, as rumors or speculations are going on. Please ignore the rumors. Ignore them. They are not true. They are not true. I've seen a lot of all of these.
Who started it?
I don't know who started it. All I am saying is it's not true. Please ignore the rumors. Let's rather pray for him. Let's wish him well. And look, the little I know about Daddy Lumba, when it comes to these rumors, it a pain him, pal.
Yeah, they do.
Right? It a pain him. He doesn't like that at all. Imagine, Charlie, you there or somewhere, all of a sudden rumors flying around that, why? What's that? You there or somewhere, and then, can't be shame. Charlie, make her go check what they happen for social media. Like, hey, no way so they be told me that. And every year there is this hoax about Daddy Lumba. Every year, this is not, you know, be saying what, like every year, constantly. Why?
Maybe people want to. If I take action,
please let's all ignore the rumors and wish him well, rather, because Chalon, the more serious no, the money do some.
But if there's a law for fake news, whoever started this news must be picked up.
Is it not the same thing that Shatawale the same thing?
So if they pick that pastor up, therefore pick this person too up. I mean, the cyber security can track and see where this information came from.
So,
go ahead.
Yeah, so therefore pick. And then you say who started them?
At the camp in Ghana, publication of false news is an offense. It's a public crime, and it's against the section 208 of the Criminal Offences Act 1960, Act 29. It's outlining the offences. I say, makes a crime. You
tell me who tell us. The thing say be crying, not that leave the rest. Who tell us? Who you call me?
When I saw the
Go
post
ahead.
this morning, I think I saw it on Monaguchi official page. That. And this how and I read it.
She posted it first.
She posted it first.
So it was Monaguchi that put out the news.
Yeah, that it got trending.
What's the following?
This is it.
What's the following?
Monaguchi official.
What's the size of the following? Like how many
What's the size of the following?
Let me check the following. The following.
Lumba is a legend, though. You guys stop playing bullshit with the man's
So
name.
she has about
That's an absolute
135,000
legend that you guys are toying with.
1,000 followers. And when people even are posting it in groups and others.
It has
further
already
increase.
gone in groups. I mean, plenty of people are
So
calling
she
to ask,
posted in the morning.
is Lumba alive or...
At the time the screenshot was done, it was 16 minutes ago.
See,
earlier in the
we got to
morning.
respect. We have to put some respect on these
I've
legends.
just
Their name.
received a terrible
I
call.
get this nonsense all the time from Yaosapon. Time and time again, people will call me, oh, they hear Yaosapon is late, they hear Yaosapon is past. Yo, wait, if Yaosapon is past, management or the family will actually put it out. Don't you guys go out speculating what is not true. Right now, anybody that puts any news about Yaosapon, which is not true, we'll look for the source of the news and we'll sue you or we'll arrest you.
Yeah, so I just want to say that, you see, you said that people have been calling you. That's the right thing to do.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm saying, no, I read it a lot too on the internet as well.
I get you, but what I'm saying is that at least they are calling.
If you call me to find out, that's fine.
Yeah.
I respectfully, I'll tell you. But if you consistently disturb my phone with that thing, I'll tell you within 1 year too.
And look, look at the way she posted. I mean, the post crab means you want to show you are not sure, but you've posted this death. Look at how she cowed the whole caption. I've just received a terrible call that our legendary Daddy Lumba has passed on a few minutes ago. I hope it's not true. My heart is so broken. Then you come to say, you tag somebody, Abba the Great, please confirm for us why. Namaye Basa.
After she broke the news.
Yeah, you now you're
She
asking
gave
someone
herself an out. So that
Yes.
just in case, Ghana, you're
like
saying
you are asking somebody to confirm for you. I mean, what kind of... if you are influential, you need to be very cautious about because some of the things you post on public places. Because, I mean, you cannot put... By now, maybe an ebushi, maybe that now. Do you know how you further increase Obi Ebia or Shenu near there? We should be
the
cautious.
way we are talking too much. Listen, we were in
Make the
Ghana.
Lord-
Wait, we were in Ghana, and Shatawale said he was dead, and he wasn't dead, and he was arrested.
Yeah.
So if
Go
somebody
inside.
has come and they say somebody is dead and the person is alive,
If I arrest them,
Shatawale says he
president.
wasn't just arrested.
Yes, he was jailed, and I mean, wow, he was in prison.
Yeah.
So it can be done clearly. There is a clear case, and they said the reason was fear and panic.
Yes. And this
Am I
was
not panicked?
but you see, listen,
freezing up.
we have to be careful with news now because you see somebody like Sam George, Minister of Information, that guy's ear is on the ground.
Oh.
He's one person who's in touch with social media, and he doesn't take these things lightly.
Yeah.
Because I know what happened to the Sinaso conversation.
Yeah.
I know the conversations that went on back door. You know, that guy, if I count himself lucky, the bigger quiz guy. Really. Because where like the matter go, like you know, like. You know, some of us
thing,
really
the
stood for him.
description alone, if you listen, it's like I did watch a horror movie.
Yeah.
Really, well, it was stupid for him to put such news out. It was really DJ Black just warned me about language, but sorry. But some of us we say I'm the way he did, you know. It wasn't proper. How can you guys just wake up and you put anything out just because a few likes, a few trends, a few whatever, and everybody's on your page? Nah, you're dang. Somebody's father, somebody's child, somebody's, you know, something. Even the person himself. Lumba's dying somewhere, nothing happened. Or on a checkup, you say he's dead because you saw him at the hospital. So you shouldn't go to the hospital. What problems have be this? The man needs checkup. At his age, he needs constant checkup. So maybe you saw him go to the hospital or somebody saw him go to the hospital.
It's based on what Adam read. It was not seen.
No, another
phone
person,
call.
another person posted that he saw.
No, really not cool. Not cool.
But you saw
Cry.
but if you see somebody at the hospital, they say hospital.
Charlie, I go to the hospital to check myself up. No, it be me.
Even if they carry somebody's sample.
What is the problem?
Like, hello.
No, okay, it's him. He's in a stretcher. They are taking him to the OPD or whatever they call it. What is wrong? Is he not human? Did he come like Superman? I can see you. Let's go with your show.
Okay, listeners. If there's any developing story or issue to this, I will communicate. But for now, as I said earlier, please ignore the rumors until there is a family confirmation. Even if there is anything that Ntontoma Kanwa, because you cannot, as at now, we don't know If he's drinking tea, we don't know whether sugar day inside or it be salt way day inside. You can't even tell. So let's just hold on to it. It's like everyone, all his pictures are all over, just because of one simple post. Words are powerful. Now let's be careful with the things we say sometimes.
Hello, keep watching Expo GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.